Today's outfit to jump, and then this outfit. Okay, let's go.
So on this day, we headed into Chinatown, and honestly, there were so many options for food that I really wanted to try, but our main goal here was to try out this bakery called mbbmusic, and they're known for their pineapple bun with pork filling, so that's what we ended up getting. We also got a cocktail bun just to try. Where's the pineapple bun?
We got the goods.
Okay. We got
The famous pineapple bun with pork filling.
No filling. How's the bun?
Filling. Very yummy.
What's the rating?
9 or 10. Pretty good. I normally don't like pineapple. I mean, the stuff inside. But it's really good.
You should share another bite with the cameraman.
Oh no! I also got this cocktail bun that I've been looking for the longest time. I haven't gone to the filling yet. I still haven't gone to the filling.
Come on.
This one's okay. It doesn't taste exactly like how I wanted it.
After the bakery, we walked over to a dumpling restaurant called King's Dumpling. They're pretty known for the pricing, and like you get a lot for what you pay for. Over here we got the pan fried dumpling with, I believe it was pork filling, and it was pretty good. I really liked it. I think like it was a good deal for the amount of dumplings that we were given. Right next door was a little coffee shop, and I decided to try it out. I got the espresso cold cream, and it was okay.
What's the rules?
First bite. It's good?
That's the stuff.
Yeah? Is it better than the other ones?
Very thin.
A whole hot.
After eating, we ended up taking a train to go across the bridge to Brooklyn, and there was a little Brooklyn flea market. It was really cute. Like they were selling so many vintage things like records and watches and cameras, and it was really cool. I didn't even know that it was happening on that day. Over here, I believe that is called the Manhattan Bridge. I'm not sure, but it was really pretty. And over here, you can see that that's the Brooklyn Bridge. We ended up walking across it later on in this video.
We are on the other side of New York in Brooklyn. What are we doing here?
We're seeing bridges.
Hopefully it could capture the noise. But it's so pretty. Us before we walk on the Brooklyn Bridge.
Ooh, it's not hot.
It's so hot. Don't come during this time, guys. We just finished walking the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yeah,
I did not enjoy it.
it was fine.
It was too wobbly. I did not like the wooden floors. But we made it.
So I tried out this coffee place that I've had saved. It's called 10,000 Coffee, and I got the regular Einsteiner and the matcha Einsteiner. And I just want to say that this is probably one of the better coffees I've had in New York. All the other ones that I've tried is either sour or just not as great as the ones here in California.
We are right here.
If you guys are ever in New York, you guys have to try out Ruby Rosa. This is my favorite pizza spot that we've went to in New York throughout our whole trip. I really like their tie-dye pizza. I think it's so flavorful and their crust is so thin, which makes it even better. We chilled for a little bit at Washington Square Park, and honestly guys, at this point the both of us was just so full and so tired. This was probably the day that we walked the most. I believe at the end of the day we hit at least 33,000 steps, so we're both so tired. And we also didn't know what to do next. I feel like we hit a lot of tourist attractions on this day, so we literally just sat on this bench looking through Google to see what's there to do around the area. Going out again for some souvenir shopping. Elevator.
Didn't even budge.
Bikes on the wall. Pistachio.
I think the Nutella's on the bag.
There is no Nutella.
Oh, doesn't it have it?
Nuh-uh. How is it?
Like pistachio cream. Take a bite after. Or take a bite.
There's cream inside. Very nice.
Who is that?
Womp womp.
My feet's hurting.